Making our headlines is July 22nd. The Intellectual Property Office expands online search system, residents urged to prepare for hurricane season, and the girls under 14 football team return from an international training camp. Good evening and welcome to CIGtv News, bringing you the latest government news straight from the source. I'm Lavita Thompson. The Cayman Islands Intellectual Property Office has upgraded its online system, Chorus, making it much easier for professionals who handle trademarks, patents, and design rights to find information. With the new enhancements, licensed agents can see more details in the system than before. For instance, they can access the names and addresses of trademark, patent, and design owners. The system also allows agents to search specifically by type, such as looking for just trademarks, patents, or designs, and they can further narrow their search using particular words or images. Previously, agents could only see the details for applications they filed themselves, and finding full details about someone else's registration required paying a fee of CI $50 for CIPO staff to find the information. This manual search option still remains available. Currently, only registered and approved agents are permitted by law to use the Chorus system on behalf of clients. The government is planning to update the laws regarding trademarks, aiming to make the process simpler and less expensive, while also working on a way for the general public to do basic searches in the Intellectual Property Register. The public will have a chance to share their views on these changes during a consultation planned for summer 2025. The purpose of these updates is to help local businesses and individuals more easily protect their ideas and creative work, while ensuring Cayman's system matches international standards. Hazard Management Cayman Islands is calling for residents to take proactive steps to ensure personal safety and build community resilience. HMCI offers comprehensive preparedness guidance, which covers everything from personal emergency plans to property protection with the aim to minimize disruption. At the recent National Hurricane Exercise led by Hazard Management and attended by emergency support teams, GSB Command Training Officer Paul Dutton made this plea.
What I would like your leaders and commanders to remember is be prepared. Give some thought to what you're going to do in the event of an emergency and do it at pace. Secondly, work together. Responding to an emergency is 100% a team sport. And above everything else, put the community at the heart of everything you do.
Residents are encouraged to develop or update their family emergency plans. This includes identifying evacuation routes and meeting points and establishing reliable ways to communicate if family members are separated during a storm. HMCI also advises taking action now to prevent storm damage by securing all windows, doors, and hurricane shutters. Your emergency plan should also include removing or fastening outdoor items, such as garden furniture and loose debris, to prevent them from becoming hazards in high winds. In addition to trimming trees and clearing gutters to reduce risks of flooding or falling branches. We'll have more reminders for you throughout the month, but please remember to monitor www.caymanprepared.ky before, during, and after any storm for real-time updates and official instructions, and register for official HMCI emergency alerts. In sports news, the Cayman Islands Girls Under 14 national football team has returned from a 10-day training camp in the Dominican Republic held between July 10th and 20th to prepare for the upcoming football season. The camp featured 4 friendly matches, cultural activities, and team-building workshops. The Cayman girls took the field twice against the Dominican Republic Under 14 national team, as well as SD Colonials Under 14 and Club Real Deportivo's Under 14 team. Match results included a tough opening loss 6-0 to the hosts, a thrilling 4-4 draw in the rematch, a 2-0 win over SD Colonial, and a 3-all draw against Real Deportivo. The team showed clear progress, finishing unbeaten in their final 3 outings. CIFA Women's Program Director Martha Godet said these kinds of international experiences are invaluable for our players, adding that they help build confidence, cultural understanding, and prepare our young athletes for the next level. End of quote. This overseas experience forms part of the Cayman Islands Football Association's ongoing development strategy for youth football, designed to prepare players for future regional and international competition. The next competition for the team is the 2025 CFU Girls Challenge Series, hosted by Trinidad and Tobago in August. Now for our weather forecast. We can expect partly cloudy skies over the Cayman Islands this evening, accompanied by gentle east to northeast winds between 10 and 15 knots. Seas are likely to remain slight to moderate, with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet. Temperatures overnight should drop to around 81 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity will stay high, maintaining a muggy feel in less breezy areas. As we move into the early evening hours, there's a chance of few passing showers or isolated thunder shower, but the night is forecast to remain mostly calm. Boaters and anyone enjoying the outdoors should be mindful of the possibility of sudden changes in weather, though no major disturbances are expected. For local weather updates, be sure to visit the Cayman Islands National Weather Service website, weather.gov.ky, and follow their Facebook page for the most reliable coverage. If you're watching us on the CIG YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed with the latest government news straight from the source. That's all for today's CIG News Brief. I'm Levita Thompson. Thanks for watching and have a great evening.